Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Vibes. Today, we will learn more about how to talk about ourselves in English. I'm Tom, your teacher, and with me is my super student, Anna. Hi, Anna.
Hi, Tom. Hi, everyone. I'm excited for today.
Great to have you here, Anna. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel, English Vibes, and don't forget to share this lesson with your friends. If you have questions or topics you want us to explain, write them in the comments. We will talk about them in future episodes. Okay, Anna, are you ready for some fun?
Yes, I'm ready. Let's go.
Awesome! Today's topic is Tell Me About Yourself. We will make it more fun this time. We will talk about name, age, city, and add new things like food and dreams. Anna, start with the basics. Tell me about yourself.
Okay. My name is Anna. I am 20 years old. I live in Moscow.
That's a good start, Anna. Let's repeat together. Everyone at home, say with us. My name is, and add your name. Ready? My name is Tom.
My name is Anna.
Perfect. Now, Anna, say your age again. 20.
20.
Listen. 20. 20. Say it with me, Anna, and everyone.
20. 20.
Yes. Now, everyone say, I am, and your age. Go.
I am 20 years old.
Nice. Let's try slowly one more time. I am 20 years old.
I am 20 years old.
Great. Everyone, practice your age 2 times. Okay, Anna, you live in Moscow. Tell me, is Moscow big?
Yes, Moscow is big. It has many parks and shops.
Cool. Let's repeat. Moscow is big. Everyone say it.
Moscow is big.
Perfect. Everyone, pause and say, my city is, and describe your city. For example, my city is small. Anna, do you like your city?
Yes, I like Moscow. It's interesting.
Great. Say, I like my city.
I like my city.
Awesome. Let's play a mini game. Everyone, say 3 things. Name, age, city. Go. Anna, you first.
My name is Anna. I am 20 years old. I live in Moscow.
Perfect. Everyone at home, your turn now. Okay, let's go deeper. Anna, tell me about your family. Do you have a family?
Yes, I have a family. I have a mother, a father, a sister, and a brother.
That's big. Let's repeat. I have a mother, a father, a sister, and a brother. Everyone, say it with us.
I have a mother, a father, a sister, and a brother.
Great. It's easy, right? Everyone, pause and say your family members. Anna, who is your best family member?
My sister. She helps me.
Nice. Say, my sister helps me.
My sister helps me.
Perfect. Everyone, say something about your family. Okay, Anna, what about hobbies? Do you have hobbies?
Yes, I like to read books and listen to music.
Music is fun. Say, I like to read books and listen to music.
I like to read books and listen to music.
Great. Everyone, repeat, I like to, and add 2 hobbies. Anna, what music do you like?
I like pop music.
Pop. Let's repeat. Pop music. Pop music.
Pop music.
Pop music. Awesome. Everyone, what music do you like? Say it out loud. Anna, let's make a sentence. I like pop music.
I like pop music.
You're good. Now, jobs. Anna, do you have a job?
No, I am a student. I study at university.
Student life. Let's repeat. I am a student. Everyone, say it.
I am a student.
And I study at university.
I study at university.
So good. Anna, what do you study?
I study English and history.
History. Interesting. Say, I study English and history.
I study English and history.
Perfect. Everyone, say, I study or I work as. Go. Anna, do you like your studies?
Yes, I like them. They are fun.
Great. Let's play another mini game. Say name, age, family, hobby. Anna, go.
My name is Anna. I am 20 years old. I have a family. I like to read books.
Add more. Everyone, try with 4 things. Now, let's talk about travel. Anna, do you like to travel?
Yes, I like to travel. I went to Italy and France.
France. Wow. Let's repeat. I like to travel. Everyone, say it.
I like to travel.
And I went to Italy and France.
I went to Italy and France.
Perfect. Everyone, where did you travel? Say it. Anna, what did you see in France?
I saw Paris. It's beautiful.
Paris. Let's say, I saw Paris.
I saw Paris.
Great. Now, food. Anna, what food do you like?
I like pizza and salad.
Pizza. Yummy. Say, I like pizza and salad.
I like pizza and salad.
Awesome. Everyone, say your favorite food. Anna, do you cook?
Yes, I cook sometimes.
Cool. Let's repeat. I cook sometimes.
I cook sometimes.
Perfect. Now, dreams. Anna, what is your dream?
My dream is to travel the world.
Big dream. Say, my dream is to travel the world.
My dream is to travel the world.
Great. Everyone, say your dream. Okay, let's put everything together. I'll go first. My name is Tom. I am 30 years old. I live in London. I have a family. I like to play football. I study teaching. I like to travel to Spain. I like pasta. My dream is to write a book. Your turn, Anna.
My name is Anna. I am 20 years old. I live in Moscow. I have a family. I like to read books. I study English. I like to travel to Italy. I like pizza. My dream is to travel the world.
Wow, Anna, that's long and perfect. Everyone, pause and say your full story. It's fun. Anna, was it easy?
Yes, it's fun and easy.
Let's do a fast round. Ready? Name, age, hobby, dream. Go, Anna.
Anna, 20, read books, travel the world.
Amazing. Everyone, try fast. Okay, one last practice. Say, my name is.
My name is Anna.
I like.
I like pizza.
My dream is.
My dream is to travel.
You're a star, Anna. Everyone, you're stars too. Practice every day. It helps you speak English.
Yes, practice. Thank you, Tom.
You're welcome. Thank you, everyone. Subscribe to English Vibes, share, and write in the comments. What's your dream? What's your favorite food? We'll read it. See you in episode 7. Bye.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing.